How does a speedy trial right protect you? Imagine waiting in limbo for months or even years without knowing when your case will be heard. That's where the right to a speedy trial comes in to save the day. This right makes sure your case gets to court within a reasonable time. It stops the government from holding you in limbo without a trial or dragging out the process longer than necessary. This means less stress and uncertainty for you. If you are accused of a crime, this right helps you move forward quickly, whether to clear your name or face the charges. It also prevents you from being kept in jail for a long time without proof of guilt. If you cannot afford bail or are denied bail, this right is especially important because it stops you from being stuck in jail for too long. A speedy trial keeps evidence fresh and witnesses available, which helps make sure your defense is fair. When trials are delayed, it can be harder to gather evidence or remember details. This right also stops delays from unfairly hurting you, like pressuring you into accepting bad plea deals. The law requires prosecutors to work diligently and not delay without good reason. If delays happen, courts look at how long the delay was, why it happened, if you asked for a speedy trial, and if you were harmed by the delay. If the government fails to bring your case to trial on time, the court can dismiss the charges. This right is guaranteed by the Sixth Amendment of the United States Constitution and is supported by laws like the Speedy Trial Act. The act sets specific time limits for federal cases, usually around 120 days from the arraignment to the trial. While what counts as speedy can change depending on the case and location, the main goal is to protect you from unnecessary delays. Knowing about this right means you can ask the court to enforce it if your trial is delayed too long. If the court finds that your right has been violated, it can dismiss your case, which can prevent wrongful convictions. This right helps ensure fairness in the legal process and stops authorities from abusing their power by delaying cases unfairly.